Hi, I am Abhijaya Patil, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy Learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. This video is a quiz for one-word substitution words beginning with the letter B. So please rate, review and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So you're watching Quiz Test Your Knowledge with me, Abhijaya Patil. This is the link to my Unacademy profile, so you can go to this link to watch my other courses as well as follow me on Unacademy. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend and share it. Now in this quiz, we will look at some questions on words beginning with the alphabet B. So I'm hoping that you all are thorough with all the one-word substitution words with B till now and are able to attempt the quiz. So let's look at our first question, which is one who studies the science of living organisms. Options are biologist, botanist, zoologist, and microbiologist. So the answer for this question is A. Biologist, a person who studies the science of living organisms. A botanist is one who studies the science of plants exclusively. A zoologist is someone who studies the science of animals, and a microbiologist is a person who studies the science of microorganisms. So, who studies the science of living organisms? Our answer is biologist. Next question is a nation that is involved in conflict as recognized by international law. So, this is quite easy. Let's look at the options. Pacifist, belligerent, ballad, and none of these. So the answer for this question is B, belligerent, which is a nation or a person that is involved in conflict. And if it's a country that you're talking about, then it should be as recognized by the standards of international law. A pacifist is a person who believes that war and violence are absolutely unjustifiable. That is, he's a peacemaker and he always wants peace around the world. And a ballad is a song or a poem that narrates a story in short stanzas. So the answer for this question is B, belligerent. Next question is an arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a present. This is an absolutely easy question. I'm sure each one of you will get it right and maybe even laugh at the options that I've given. But let's look at them. A plant, a garden, a bouquet, or aroma. So the correct answer for this question is C, bouquet, which is an arrangement of flowers that is usually given as a gift or a present. A plant is a plant. You have your garden. Aroma is a pleasant smell that comes from food or drink. So that smell, that pleasant smell when something good is cooking or when something good is being made to drink, then that is aroma. Now let's look at the next question. A member of the middle class. Options are elite, aristocrat, bourgeois, and none of these. So the answer for this question is a member of the middle class is C, bourgeois. Elite is the upper class or the high class, and aristocrat is also a member of the noblemen or a member of the aristocracy. So member of the middle class is bourgeois. Next question is a large wrapped or bound bundle of paper, hay or cotton. This is also quite easy. Let's look at the options. Package, straw, bale and fodder. So the correct answer for this question is C, bale, which is a large bound bundle of paper, hay or cotton for storage or transport. You have your package, which is something that is packed. You have straw, and fodder is the food of livestock, that is what you give to the cattle. So don't get confused. Bale is something that is a large wrapped or bound bundle of paper, hay, or cotton which is used for storage or transport. Next question is a practice of having two wives or two husbands where it is legal to have two husbands. So that's why I've written husbands too. Example, monogamy, bigamy, marriage, or other. So practice of having two wives is bigamy. Monogamy is practice of having one wife or one spouse. And marriage is the bond between a person and his spouse, right? So our answer is bigamy. Next question is a family of young animals that are born at the same time. I have forgotten to write that, but that are born at the same time. Options are bigot, herd, pride, and brood. So the answer for this question is brood, which is a family of young animals that are born at one birth. A bigot is a person who is intolerant towards the opinions of others. Herd is a group of animals like the cattle or a herd of deer. Pride is a group of lions. It's called a pride. And then you have brood, which is our answer, a family of young animals born at one birth. The next question is a person who helps another. Examples are benefactor, butcher, debtor, or other. So the answer for this question is A, benefactor. That is a person who helps another person or another cause by providing money or any other help that he is capable of giving. Butcher is a person who sells meat in a shop. Debtor is someone who owes money to another, so that is a debtor. And that's why our answer for this question would be A, benefactor. Last question is hard but liable to be easily broken. That is something that is hard but can be broken easily. Examples are flexible, elastic, resilient, and none. So if you've gone through the lessons and are thorough with all the words, then you know that the answer to this question is brittle, but the option of brittle is not given over here. So our answer for this question would be none. Flexible is something that can bend easily. Elastic is a material that if you stretch or compress it, it comes back to its original shape. And same is the case of resilient. If you bend it or stretch it or compress it, it comes back to its original shape. But something that is hard and liable to be broken easily is brittle. The option is not given over here, so the answer would be none. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all liked this quiz and thank you for watching it. For any questions, suggestions, doubts, feedback, please mention those in the comment section. And if you all like this lesson, do not forget to rate, review, recommend and share it. Keep watching the space for more. Bye.